He looked like Jackie Chan. Most definitely. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm also great.
Okay. Where you from?
I'm from Bangladesh, and you?
From America.
America. Okay, okay.
Remind me of Jackie Chan.
Jackie Chan.
You remind me of. Yeah. Yeah.
Am I
You
Jackie
look
Chan?
like Jackie Chan.
Now, how I'm look like without my glasses?
You still look like Jackie Chan. He look like Jackie Chan. Most definitely. He talking about without the glasses. Still same. You still look like Jackie Chan. Yeah, he's famous. You look like him.
Am I look like Jackie Chan without my glasses?
You still look like Jackie Chan.
Oh, okay, okay.
You do.
What?
It's okay. He's handsome, I guess.
Okay, what's your name?
I'm Jasmine.
Jasmine. Oh, my name. So, do you know what is my name?
No, what's your name? Tell me. Okay, what is your name? Nice to meet you, Jackie Chan.
Nice to meet you too.
You have a nice sense of humor. I like. For that, I'm going to follow you.
Okay, follow me.
I'm going to follow you, Jackie Chan.
Okay, thank you, thank you. So,
Where you from? Are you in Japan?
not from Japan. I'm from Bangladesh. It's beside of China.
China. Okay. You know how to make Chinese food?
You are making your food right now?
No, DoorDash. Delivery.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.